Welcome once again to the Krawn a dental platform demo. In this video, we'll be covering Krawn, the app for dentist, the demo for Krawn app for dentist, and where we'll be going through all the challenges faced by the dentist and how this app for dentist is helping the dentist to meet all these challenges, like collaboration with lab, dental material supplier, appointment management, then orders management, and payment history, maintaining the history of the payment. So uh, this app is available on and for Android device. This is the Google Play Store location. So I'll just tell you how you can search in this app in Play Store. Just open play.google.com and you can just search Krawn dentist, and you can see this is the app for dentist, this is app for dental vendors, and this is the patient app. So this is the app for dentist. So you can install this app on your mobile device. Now let's come back to the demo. I have the devices over here, so I'll just unlock the device. So this is the doctor device, and this is the device for the lab, dental lab, or vendors. We are calling it here as vendors, right? So you can see two app over here. In doctor, there is a Krawn doctor app. Here is a Krawn vendor app. Now let's first. I'll just close the app for time being. Let's first open the doctor app. So it's launching the app. Just log in. So for a new user, you'll have to go and create a new user for yourself. Just give your name, email, mobile number. Make sure you remember your email and mobile number correctly, your registration number, your clinic name, and even your password. Make sure you remember your email, your mobile number, and your password correctly, because that will help in case you forget. It will help you to retrieve back your password. So I will just log in. The clinic login, and then I logged in. So since this user is already using this app for some point of time, you can see today's appointment. You have got 2 appointments over here. So and if you want to just schedule the appointment, you can just click over here and you can edit or cancel the appointment. Similarly, if you want to check your history of appointments, you can just scroll and you can just check the history of the appointment. If you want to search for any particular user's phone number or his previous appointment, you can just directly search from here. Like for example, Rajesh, you can see all the Rajesh appointment from here, right? So and in case you want to search Rajesh, you want to search for a patient to call him, you can just search here and then scroll this way. Just swipe this way. You will see this icon. You can just click on this button and you can just call him up. So this will launch and you can just call him up directly, right? So sorry, okay. So this was the thing. And now if you want to add a new appointment, you can just tap on this button. You will see all the patient your patient directory will show up here. If you want to edit any of the patient details, you can just edit him, or you can delete the patient. Or if you want to add a new patient appointment, for example, you want to add appointment for, say, a patient name as okay, which is not here. Suppose I give Rajesh only. Okay, Rajesh is here. I just click on it. I will just give the date. Suppose I give it as tomorrow. Okay, and the timing I give as 6 p.m. Okay, country, whatever you want to give, you can give, and then save. Right. So you will see tomorrow appointment for Rajesh Kumar has been added over here, right? So this is the way you just manage your appointments, manage your patient directory. right? So now if you have done the treatment for this patient named Rajesh Kumar or Akash, and for example Akash, you have done the treatment and you want to and you did the RC, suppose the patient is diagnosed with RCT, you did the RCT, now you need to place the order to lab, that is the dental labs. You give him the impression, and they will sorry, just yeah. And you just take the impression, you just give the impression to the lab person, and he will come and collect the impression, and then after a few days they will deliver you the crown. Okay, so how you place this order? So just again you need to swipe this way. uh, yeah. uh, so you can see, okay, I'll directly do from the device, this is not very handy. Yeah, okay. Now this endodontic treatment, you have prosthodontic treatment, orthodontic treatment. So this is the, you can place order for all different kind of treatment over here, like endodontic, prosthodontic. So for RCT it's endodontic, so just tap on this. Okay, you get all the details, patient details over here. uh, Age, yeah, actually he's a kid, the patient is a kid, so I've just added it in for testing purpose. Crown type you want to give as zirconia. There are different crown types available. Crown warranty you can give as 0, 3, 5 years, suppose 5 years warranty. A number of units, suppose you have give as 2. So for 2 units you can you'll have to just give, for example, the tip number is 1 2 and 1 3. 1 2, just type 1 2, you'll get a drop down, select that one. 1 3, again you get a drop down, select. Now 2 tip is number of units is selected. Shade A2, then priority is normal. Okay, and delivery date, suppose you gave 3 days from here, like 29th is the delivery date, say okay. Now dental lab is not selected over here, it's not selected. So how you will select the dental labs? So again you'll have to go back. So there's an option from here, vendor list, right? Go to the vendor list, because it's a vendor, you need to place the order to a vendor. I need to, and all these vendors are, all these vendors are added, are yeah, all these vendors, like this is a Krawn homepage for placing the orders. So search for a vendor, tap on it. So these all the different vendors are registered to the Krawn platform, and will be, and many are still joining the platform. So suppose I add Noida Dental Lab uh, to my favorites. So whoever vendors you add to your favorites, that will be populated in that particular drop down. Now again I'll have to go to the home page of appointment, right? Appointment, I'll just swipe from, okay, let's place for Rajesh, and I'll just tap on this Rajesh. You see this came over here, since I have added Noida Dental Lab as to my favorites. Crown type is again out of metal, PFM ceramic, I select zirconia. Crown warranty again 5 years, number of units 2. Okay, and then tip number is the 1 2, get in the drop down. 1 3, you get in the drop down. Shade A2, priority normal, delivery date 29th. Okay, if you want to give any comments, you can give over here. Please follow the time strictly. Just a comment I have given for testing purpose. Okay, and then save. So now you see this is the order listing page. Here you see all the orders as a card view. Like just now we have placed order to Noida Dental Labs. You can see all the patient details. Just tap on it and you will see the complete details. 131312 is the tip number, zirconia 5-year warranty, and is the clinic name for which I have placed the order, and the comment, please follow the time strictly. Okay, so if you want to call this lab person directly, you can just tap on this button. If you want to know the address, you can of this particular lab, you can tap on this button. If you want to edit this order, and I mean you want to add more comments to it, you can use this particular button. So this is a new order. This is a new order. That's why you can see this label. Once again, you can see this label as new. Top the pill you can see, and this is the card view, right? So you can see. So same way you can place order for material supply as well. You can see vendors. Vendors is nothing but the material supplier actually, right? And in all you will see all the orders, the lab as well as the vendor order. So just for filter purpose, we have given it as to to have the search easily. So it is in pending now, and let's check. So as soon as you have placed the order of this lab, Noida Dental Lab vendors, I mean this person must have received a notification that you have got a new order from a clinic named Dentist Arena. So I'll just go ahead and launch this app. So before that, you can see in the top you have got a notification over here. So I will just scroll down, and you can see this one got a new order from Dentist Arena Noida. Okay. I'll just tap on this, and this you can see new order from Rajesh Kumar from Dentist Arena Noida. You have got an order. Just click on it. Yeah, you got this order. And then what he will do, he will just change the status. We'll just change the status to accept, and then you will the doctor will get a notification that yes, your order has been accepted by the vendor. So now he'll be free that now it is his duty, the vendor's duty, to come and collect the order, and come and collect the impression and deliver it on time. And and then only they will come and update this payment instruction. All that I'll cover in the next subsequent videos. So that's it in this video. If you have got any questions, you can write to me in this particular email address. I have rajeshkumar.flash@gmail.com and cronplatform@gmail.com.